hide behind this. I don't know if it'll blow it up. I highly doubt it, but it's worth a try. Because that bucket is huge and like so giant. It's like an inch thick.
Hey, you're still rolling, right?
Yep, I'm rolling.
Here we go.
Oh, God. Run, Dad. What the? Oh! It destroyed the bucket.
That shrapnel flew straight at me. Go. Look at
I know. Whoa, it's burnt. It's just destroyed.
this thing flew straight at my head. I saw it come straight at me.
Oh, my God. Dad, the air bomber is huge. Oh!
Did you get that?
Yeah. Look at that. There's a bunch of... Hey, move. There's all the debris.
Shredded.
Wait. Oh, this is the hole where it blew out.
Wow.
Oh, Dad, look inside. It's just charred.
That was a huge explosion.
Yeah, but
I knew it'd blow it all up.
this is just destroyed right
Are
here.
you glad we got so many air bombers?
Yeah, we got like 10 boxes.